Oh, all right. Nimbola binaka na viokani nakuvale vuna nomunisema mai na yakabini sigini kosa au chungona tolu ena tini kaona na miniti ena singa tambwe mai viti gose singa bakarawa itiko ngobe kito Amerika sa uchungona walu ena tini kabitu na miniti viketo California babili binaka tuka yani vikimnina nomni sema mai na mbongendai sena kabini kuwa babili binaka be turanga wuniwai tau Eminoni Dakua nanon sule nanon ngauna me na may tanong to weekend ini ko me balete do na ulutangan bimbi ulutangan bimbi me balete na nondong bula saranga na tamata tamsakayani we kendarang kasedake turanga marama bakatanga kini beira na tambangoni na sera talangan ngula kini na lubenda bakang bimbiti ko na kakanin takania bakatalanga kina na matanggalin bula and bula taka na besin eh sarangan na ulutangan bimbi and na bital no tukina and kabinani ko bikim ni na siya mati kumain ngay wala nga may na punata be na bese buru-buru ni siya mati kumikina na singubilangan ni ko sa wawasar tengah na tay ni telefon ni kandua na turanga bunuwai minoni sa tanaba kang bula sarwa dalabin na turang bunuwai.
Bolabina ka bunuai tarisi ni bolabina ka navarong ti kumay na besa ibura-bura pagka kinabake anda navarong ti kumay nondango ibiti.
Totok. Rere binakan na yalo token ta kumuni bakatal nga kina sigile to ni tarti kon ni ko bunuai.
Binaka. Daron nga ibital no takabalilay na buna untara ti kinago apalay ti ko ya.
Oh, totok. Binaka baliw. Turang tao iyo kera mandangani tukuna mandame na buna tabi bito ni sama chukumikinango.
Binaka yung ti ko yaningo i votua levu i Bulawai ndo na subdivision ike na nandi. Au za taputi ko nando na NGO wo singe mitig bunga kinembe kingo na na 10,000 Toes Wellness Center.
Andina. Oh, totok kasaranga. Ibe bakan ni so sarkila di darwa sa vital no tinanong ko bata-bata oniati ko buli may American Samoa. Then na naman niya ko may American Samoa tao.
Au lako i American Samoa na ika na chulai na ronong dolutin kabitu. Au ngai lesu mai ulo epireli na embakingo. So vea walu 8 going on to 9 years nung ko may American Samoa. O sali tau kay saratu ika yang go sali sumay.
Sabi nakapalim sa fafitay. Telelamo kladio sa nalikilata ko sa Samoa.
Iya, fafitay.
Nakapalim sa tao. Kaya matangan nyo, pamadal tikim ni Taliman, bira na barorongo, nabuno nito butumikin na namuni kornibasu, kaya nabuno talangan niya susukin.
Pina, kayo daw tu may daw sare dito may sabulay ito kong gori lakengo. Na this is na bosa, nito yung bole may na bosa. Ayaw na ngone ni, o daw tu may batumbalabu na koro, batumbalabu tikinonoy koroy na bosa. Au vasu ni na sengay may kandavu. Au sudu nga may suba, susubale butu nga may suba. Iya, dona ka, oyaw na tako. Na dona ka babuli di kito kino tamango, pindaku na nito sustuisu ba may kito daw kito bosa taka nga na nito bosa. Kaya wambo titi ko ni veibu ke vale ba na nongu rawa ka, ni ukilati ko na vanola ko may kina, na nongu itutu, wakaki na nongu bosa-bosa, na identity ndaro na gevital no kina tao. Au huli nga may nakorbuli no tamago nga sinibuli kay tinango ronga sinibuli ni lotu ni kabitu huli nga nakorbuli lotu kabitu may nabi sa usuwo isale o teo sange India Way Gospel teo sa Indian College Form 7 sange ilay huli bunuway walu nemba kinugo huli bunuway yo irera on nemba kyo walu nemba kyo umbadi alon tina sibia au timay yao sange ilay bunuway ba teki buna nongo bo internship may lau toka au keresar mo la ko ikeyasi le tau ya butaka ika na teki bu ni valin bulo bo kwa sa tiko ngo mai ke asia te ki buna soli non na leni banua ena no tiko mai ke ambaleta arabina ka tiko na leni banua mendo na balimbula ke to le rida sarna permanent secretary na ngone o sal saket ngai tukun mai ke to na itu tuba ni Ministry of Health ina baki tini rosa vol mengo sindo na itu tuba ni balimbula ke asi ke to sange ilako ke to ngala itu kuna me to sana soli me to taranga na non to balimbula ke to soli ke to teki buta tara balimbula me ada basaranga di be ada itu lo ikito na ya na partnership patike na Prime Minister's Office de ngone ya sabe to lo ikito na vale sange lak morto na engineers di Matibalu then they came and took over and that's how we got a hospital we wala no meeting a weekend that if we put our will to it and ang laka may na support may murna kanga da vina kata na ito kaya na rawata o tiao sange lako ilambasa balimbula ni lako may na CWM o sange makasama tiko ya usanong kata tungango na vaka mode baleta na CWM bonu oso ina AMI o te wal na bulo sakai bia o sa resign baleta sa sinron na bulo tiko bago au resign tol na bulay vale au sange apply tale au sange dola pa nongu own wellness center the first of its kind in Fiji andola mai na flea market wo is super vida na bula o cha Lucy o join sa super private i walu be na balimbula bo na PSH walu be o sange la ko American Samoa au le mbaki walu mai kia au le vai tutu sa rika as a clinical director au sange ina numa meule sumai na bunungu le sumai miu mai bu weekend na kila katu weekend bale tenda sa mate wa yo tikina donon dor vital nongo kene karua na opportunity le buninda la ko balang inda gelere na opportunity le tale te ko ni ke o salis me kinango miu mai vebu ke ia me usanga ia talanga ken lewu
Sa totoo kabinaka. Nakabaliwe o marutaka no muda buta mena wasangori tau imbaleta na mbongi kiro vital no tuko ke tau iskeli tumbuna me Australia. Vital no teki chuko na lako ibalangi. Ndaga reda na lako talanga ibalangi lebu na kabinaka e koto mai. La nonta rai la kibisau balati ni dali rede do tal nambulo bo na buno dala ko kina le bakata
right
nga kina ni da rele sumai biti e do tal ni nonta rai ni da rele sumai mai na nonta tiko boli ngai biti ba
don
makana madana tikina ata
Dina, it takes you to live to actually realize how blessed we are back home, Ike. So, our TV tikala in the two white okay in the two on the coro so nangona sara watu nambula sa the two tungabaya nongula ko American Samoa because oiko sale second class citizen is ando tanya na nom status e babu na moyan rabalilai also ni tiko may banwata ni ko raile so tiko may you're looking in as an outsider so ni other tipo na lenga ibiti oiko na experience ni kemai mi keto vale wi American Samoa keto la keto America na buli na conference lei tanto la vale lei na rai kia dua tani na system ya so you compare and contrast o vaka sa mataka o sa na budi so nei wali ni kai tiko ibiti o kron bi bukekina hindi na saranga na raya sangelo indola binaka na nungu rai na nungu bakasama bayan ratiau sa bola kiti kunangon in retirement au samba ki basa bulka limango tau au sini binaka tamo zaka zaka tingu memba ki limusanga bulu I want early retirement and so we ando na buri nungu lestela ngamai because I want to go into business ke bakara rani rawa kati ku ikena bulangi and dondo me rawa sarvale wokenda ya mendela ibangara na daba na buna enta tau tiko kina group think, group mentality, whatever it is, the fixed taka, then we can move ahead.
Totoo ka saranga wabi ni binakata ka mo wasi amengor batangor talanga na rai tiko talanga bi kerau kero santo bitalo bale bukir talanga na wekanda era tumi balain sarlis taleni biti sianga ni kene balen balea ni klaba ka you are going down or you going back you actually moving forward
Right, right, yes.
o tos tuko iliu sali bisa no murai and you are creating change not only for yourself but for those around you
Yes, exactly. Kaya nangona ndotal mo eta kay tao. So you don't just come, just up and go when you come back. Ayaw na kaudaka ba, I kept on to that contract. I came here. I applied while I was there. I got on the call na Taliboni ki may Talanoa. Ang ngay lako may bukaraw may o may negotiate. Use my leverage, negotiate to get our sauli lai ike compared to there, but I'll negotiate ka na benefits. Okay, corrida, the benefits I think sometimes are better than wherever you are. So you come and you are at a much better place, even though you're getting less. in terms of your pay, but you're getting more in terms of benefits. So more kilati konada what you want, and then you come and use that as leverage because now you're coming in with more skills and more experience. So they will take you if you know how to leverage yourself, how to negotiate really.
Totoo ka saranga Rede bikim ni na warong tiko mai bikim ni na warong tiko mo ni tiko balangi ni beli style andora karo ni nda bulida. Ame bakana kai wasia tu kai tau Eminoni nak bina kabali besar tau no mo se maya no musali star me American Samoa samiti kong gondor tampana po kau siamo tal chuka no mo takata kong ada ulutang saranga dor bital lo kinongo na ulutang ni tiko bulong bulai iya
Right.
roba kata ba tau ni o se mata na ulutang ngo ni tiko bulong bulai kena no mo takata o sanggara beti ngo inandi pa madal takamanda na tambano sa tiko kinongo.
Binaka. Tau na NGO ngo ko na idana na 10,000 10,000 toes wellness center. So esa tipo saranga na idana na nona mission. We are moving into wellness, and I think the whole world is moving into lifestyle. That's what it is, lifestyle and wellness. That's one area where I'm really passionate about. Obinakata me eventually oya mo na nongu na vinkarai na tabano ya. Ventu tai vei vole kati sarvale vo te kena topping torna vital no ken niku ambale to wambo te tikoyau na nonda rai me ambale tana tiko mbulambula so nangu nendo ngingo ken da nga na lifestyle na kakana nga na tabango na exercise na wine roka endina tikoya, but that's not the whole picture. Na nongu bandindi kitiko nangu nango kabango na definition ni health by the World Health Organization.
Yeah.
So deal. Kavango koya the health is a complete state of mental, physical, and social well-being. I'll add spiritual, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. So the definition of wellness is really holistic. So it's mental, it's spiritual, it's social, and it's physical. So nangone ba nang bitig na physical na nonda pa matala ke na nonda garaba na nonda tikumbula. But sometimes your disease is actually purely mental and just manifesting as physical disease. Sometimes it's purely connection, like social issues. Na nonda senga ni vei maliwai vinakatiko. Ele manifesti ko ala nga bona yango. So na nonda rai membala tani tikumbula has to be holistic. Na ngone holistic ina then we'll address all the root causes. So yana buna binakata moles meki na usava kabuli wabo kiti ko sabo starting about tamba kindua na kena lorai na kena rai di tau voko uma na tiko mbula sanga ningingo tiko ngananda rai endina nimbimbi na kakana ia embimbi bato to batana bitambana kevea ni umani bata kevea sananga irawa ni ndabasuka na lenga nda tiko kina baleta ubambo te tiko endua na iwase lebu ni lenga ni nonda senga tiko ni tiko mbula tau bimate vakayalo vakamona e teki busar chupunga na nonda vakasama e vakanda kila na ken na ngoni sale vakina vakasama tiko ne volta we are fearfully and wonderfully made. If you understand how fearfully and wonderfully you are created, especially in the mind, e rauni lebu sarnaka o teki bu beso takakina na nomurai na nomu vakasama me rauni o mbula binaka tau zakutini.
Kandira todo kwendo ra kambimbi na vakasama embimbi ando tengana karebe kini ni siang ni lorai maybe
Right.
na ready kutiko so it's
Right.
physical is more what you can see kwa
Right.
barara sara kwenda siang ni ready ta madala mandi
Yang ni Raven. Iya, ndina sara. So, menda Raven manda na dapa na kau kau ni baka samango. So, nanguna, na kena kau kau na baritak na kena baritaki na ethana na phantom pregnancy, sa na hysterical pregnancy, ando da viruso na marama, sa kau kau na non rabina kata mera kune-kune, na yang onra sa teki me agriba te keira sa le mbulia mai na ireira ni sa ratiko bimbira vango bakete yana kau ni bakasama e bakarita ke tiko ya ni ola pa ni balimbula sa ni ke saranga ni au sambore de bidana ki sai ke saranga ni sa tiko bimbi na maramango yeni ngeli scan sindo na kai lorai ni le kela le moidi na ketena sa bude tu senga ndo na kai tukina na ngone tukuni kina be ko ni senga ni mukete sanga ndo la ko tentale na sintomia yana kau ni bakasama ro ni biso takasaranga na yamo E wakatauti kona no mubamba uta ni kani bola tambu. Na bamba uta me bakana sorengi dava. Ni mosita, can move mountains. So na bamba utanga I kombite ke will create your reality in the body as well as externally. Ana ko koni bakasama, which we really underestimate and don't talk about much. Yes, sada keni mbali na kanga iko bamba uta. Ya talanga na pano iko lako kina uda kabuli tuku maisuwa. Au tarongi rati kuna lako tukani. Do you think you are healthy? Levirka, no. Okay, exactly. So your habits and your motivations and whatever you do will agree with what you think. As a man thinketh in himself, so is he. So Autarotale, do you think you are healthy? Yes. All right. So now your mind has shifted. Now your actions will change gradually over time. Everything boils down to identity. So if you think you are, you are. Na lenga ile weekend we don't understand that identity na nonda tumbu da kemai kenda sababuli di menda reidi kenda sombu menda da umandu ataka na kami baleti kenda. So your identity is really creating your reality. So we don't think we're healthy, it's manifesting. We don't think we're worth anything, it's manifesting as social ills, as drugs, as alcohol, whatever we take part in. We don't think we're wealthy, and andua bateke kuna no buki buki. So identity is the most important thing you can change for you. Nikua, kendona ka una kaya na nungu identity ngona bonola kumekina who I am. But na identity me visa weekend na ite okay kwa ngai varong tiko mai visa utaka na no mubaka sama e nangai vavo tukane na no mumbula. Ke baka iku sa siniti ko na bono iku tukina ba buli, ba vaka ba lotu, ba physically na yango. That means your identity might be the opposite of what you wish to be. So now
Oh
you will do,
man.
or you gonna tukuna I am healthy. You will use I am statements because even though you're not healthy now, you believe you are now. Sanangai agree batakei kona no mu actions na no mu habits na kakeve morawa ni obukei ko mo Tiko Bulabula. So identity.
Wow, Tao, this is Sambu to talk din. I am healthy. I am wealthy.
Wealthy, I am happy, I am valued, I am loved,
Wow.
and I love, and I am black.
Wow. Right. Satu token dia na bunuai. Doon na po saya na po sa kla po sa beka bakantabu na numubasu na manifestation. Whatever you say, endo kayo tanga na kando rin dito ko na yata na whatever you na bosa emana. Kaya dando rongo da tubira ng tanggas. Na
Right.
bika da tukuna ena yafa.
And I
Kaya
am.
ni ndakaya mbenda ndo ngaro nungo na bosa mbenda dhabuta tiko na bosa binaka mbata na kabina ko da kabina listal may biko ena da wirtal
Don't
man.
be not. Don't be
Ah,
not. Ia na vosa talenga la ko mai vi ko te ki mai na vakasama ko enda skin identity na kanga from the fullness of the heart comes whatever you say. So mo na numati ko mo fix ta kango e ndo vital no vale vat ke un revetiko okay na dava vakasama tiko bata senga dala ka ko ne o criticize te kiko ka ko ne o vosa beriko Lomaniko, love yourself unconditionally. Work on this. Na lumubita no batikiko over time. Vambauta ni iko sango e nangai lutu mai sana bisa nga mai bakiko no mubosa bosa. Word is powerful. We created in the image of God. God created the universe with words. You actually have the power to create your reality with words. So be very cognizant. Mongara una sara na no mubaka sana.
man, the mind, the mind is very powerful. Because na
Very.
barang cukup dora kambimbia. Na bitalo ni ko bat ke bunuai eminoni na ne bitalo takatiko na bimbi ni tiko bulong-bula. Siya wala nga ni bulong-bula ni angonda kambimbital nga na nonda tuba kini bakasama tao. Na muli sumay sina na mutiko mi American Samoa na numure di biti tiko mai baka manda na numure the lay of the land in terms of health. And dornari da nabi kay dala ko durumati ko en ngul sala da be dorri baka binna ka taka da kimbeka e sono bono e lulunga ti ko tao.
Pinakan dona ka na lebu ni matin da saban din taka saya do ke tiko weekend au do tiko na Facebook. Dona ka na lebu ni matin ni tambangone tambangone na tinani ngone ngone sambiu tu mayoir na ngone nakaboro au wasa tiko meiso tiko na beira na itumbu-tumbu na ngona ngai ko sa tiko kin na ngone sando don maybe so sarangan umbula ni tiko bulan-bula because if you die early at least before the age of 26, 27, 28 you leave behind a legacy of pain and heartache, where nangone emotional trauma, poverty. So the cycle continues. So it is your primary responsibility ni sabangon nga for you to live a healthy life, at least up to 100. It's very possible. But me ado ya kenda mendekila na lawan imbula ko bosti kinango na lawan ibakasa na lawan ikanakana kwa kede ai and the prioritize te kenda. Vida naka so na namba go tarati go tau membeleta na namba. Nagona step survey in 2025 published in 2026 by the Ministry of Health. Okenda nanda nekende wili okenda. I think the latest census was about 930,000, almost a million. Out of that, NCD deaths na mate may na mate sureti, walu sanga wulu na pasyente. Walu sanga wulu na pasyente ni mate sa lako sartunga may na mate sureti. Kene mbalimbali esanga ni nonda lenga beikenda esanga soti ni nonda lenga na zula na weni matenganga ni biba matenta na HIV nonda lenga tiko na mate sureti ya na mate sureti la konga mai na nonda tuba kini bakasame ke na nonda lifestyle na kanda da kaba na beisinga meni kana kana ina mode ba kabi na tava so entendo da kabi bal enda sakila ke de tuna da medaka na taronga itiko na da banda sinda kaba tikina the adults with one NCD risk factor. Kembal na risk factor na ka vapu na puts you at risk of getting an NCD bakana lebu mbeka bakana batabako 98.5% ni tamate bite to sa tiko bi at least one NCD risk factor. Ke sa tiko bi kuna risk factor sana totolo sarna keneda bi kuna mate. 98.5% ya tu bate ni bola ni zionan rautini ka ono na undolu na tama tangase sa tubir na one NCD respecta. Obesity na lebu 68%. Ya tu bate almost 632,000 adults. Obesity and overweight. O eu talanga tau I'm on the obese side. Metani do taltak na kengu taltak na falawa. We have to be very honest of where we are. If we're not honest about where we are, we cannot move ahead. We cannot improve. So I'm working on that. So there's nobody's perfect. It's in the weekend they're perfect. The more we admit what we are, we hold ourselves accountable, then you can change. Matini suka 16.5%. Toto matini 250 dolo. Tumunin ra 37%. Tulunan ra wasang kabano dolo. San raw nga na dolo. Iya na namba saya tu bibiti na ngunango Bato to bata teki ke itonga ke Samoa so na namba ngo CBS ro to itonga Samoa bata na to namba kala Iya. Dato ko man din lenga te kirto to sana lenga te kento mandanga ke na kami to da kaba. Iya nda sakila na namba ya tau ndona ka urede tiko. Lebu na ngona wilki no ke to na tamba nimbula. Kanta sabe le lenga te kikati ko ya lenga te kikati ko ya. Ui ko mo lenga te kiko mandeliu. Batasul nga maybe ko ndona mbula. Nangauni ko lenga te kiko kina sana ngai rau ni tu kumbulumbula o sala ko na batangin ni tu kumbulumbula rabina kata na tamata nangaun rasari ramai kina sana ngai bayar te kimai to that example de nangaun datu kuno chukuna tu kumbulumbula kenda menanda sini bina ketiko. I am still working on that, but that doesn't stop me. I have the information, so I'm sharing it as much as possible. Lev sara sa may bukay ni ngono suli kinabira na tukundina ni tukumbulumbula da babi de bina ketikin Ya so na namba. Barita ketika na lenga levo sa tiko weekend na membaleta na magistrate.
Sa tao nakabimbi no mutu kuna it's what we do with it nadhava enda takava saro enda kila kere tuni tukutuku sa kila nadhava menda takava vakadhava tau lele umbeka era do rere mbeka na lako bali nimbula ke makasalo revira in dua may bir na mati ni tukuna tiko na lebu sibia sena matini suka sena tumbunin ra may nandua menda Kaya menda rei sar me kakuni rua se tolu se vai. Asa na
Na
rei
risk
leka sa
right?
lava kule wio. So
Iya.
if we have still one risk factor, na tava merda kava na lini vanua.
Sa ko sarngaya tau na Tiko Bulabula. Mera sana ndingi takanga, mera na visau. Ko ako kahit tiko kina, ok sana teki utuko na. Most likely the identity was the issue from when they're young. Bisa takano my identity, I am healthy. Muria may na I am healthy tau endo talabi talanoa level, which I think is an issue for a lot of us Fijians, na unconditional self-love. Because most of us have self-hatred. And that has to do a lot with our skin color, na ngauni sala and the tumberi maikina. When we grow up, okay, and that we really don't like ourselves. Na dava na kena evidence go. Na kena evidence go, na manuanga da tiko kina na ito, kaya na bibala tiko bimbasura ki tiko salitini ngonda rede sona mateada. That self-hatred, projected self-hatred, that's the manifestation of the internal state of the mind. So, au savana numikenda tiko, the Bible says, love your neighbor as yourself. It's a precondition that you love yourself, and a lot of us don't love ourselves. So, mo teki mumanda, mo reidi ko na ililo, mo rani reidi ko, taura na rai, o mo tuku na biko, I love you, whatever your name is, unconditionally with all your imperfections. Na kasarang ko sintalita ka biko, mo lomana. That's the only way to break free from this self-hatred that we have. Wiliki na nakuliniango. Nakuliniango lolo naka elevo era sintalita kay burubur bamimir nandui roka non rakuliniango. Au bea kautikenda mai, I think that's one of the root cause of our problems because we've never been taught to love this color. I had to teach myself how to love this color. Me na reida nda tukuna ngona roka re rebina ka taundo re ni reida me maleti au. Nan rauni ulumu motali taka, Na kakuni leiban reta tiko. Balatea is a sign of self-hatred, and I think we need to talk about that because we are manifesting self-hatred in our lives. When you learn to love yourself unconditionally, na tamata nga elomani kwa without any condition, and ang nakababua naka loving, naka binaka. Dalay nguno, dalay kana ice, dalay vivala, baletanga da sangat talchungan itali tekikenda. Da kanya nakakana dala, da sangan rani basenga, because we have no unconditional self-love, so we cannot set boundaries, so we cannot say no. And the sakilati koni sangan nindo na kaya kaba, yesini rani o kaya no senga, because you, the babulidi to prioritize everybody else except you, and that's the problem. Keni karua, okenda kede na babule ta kami weekenda kuna ta kama ngor matartori tik maya, so we learned that the opinion of others matters more than your opinion about yourself. So all we're doing in life is looking for external validation. Ke bakara ka setio ya ena lutu no guru self-esteem, ke bakara ka ndo naka au na sinra di basenga. So stop looking for external validation, look inside for internal validation and unconditional self-love. Out of that unconditional self-love, will your habits change for you to do healthy things to your body? Because you will be doing healthy things. Subconsciously, you'll do things to hurt you.
Exactly. Hindi na sarang tahu ni bira matanga so matanga nung ito kan di boleh kai so na kangu ni tapi kan benta kai non remulai di seber ni relai bakadingu sa dari itu cukup so naka so talaga nango na kay don den de weekend menta tukuna bakadun batango ni
Right.
sa dari cukup matanga ya ninda to
Right.
hurt someone's feelings
Don't know. But really, because you have not been taught how to handle your own feelings. So you are afraid to hurt somebody's feelings. So we need to change that. We need to reparent ourselves as we grow older because out of the self-love, without creating resentment. Sange raunin da bitala no bantu do non talenga non tantu matuvale tau non tantu tiko na be korkor because we were not taught how to process emotions healthily, how to communicate openly, how to have self-love. A breakdown in all our communities. Connection for the blue zones is more important than food. Stress is an independent risk factor for disease. So But we are not addressing root causes. So we have to maintain connections, but you cannot maintain connections if you cannot regulate your emotions, if you cannot express it healthily, have a clear understanding of yourself. Or stress. Now, stress tends to come from the things that you don't deal with. We are social creatures. If we don't know the social rules, the social boundaries, a lot of us are not aware. So I was right. Enangay ki nanandang bulan ni bewekani. Matay man tanong bulan ni bewekani ke iko, a lot of us don't love ourselves. O tina sangay bulan ni bewekani ke nanong itumbu-tumbu, bulan ni bewekani ke tadimu, bulan ni bewekani koro. Aunto kayo, kenda because we don't know how to communicate and connect at a deep level. Because we were not taught. You need to learn. Because connections, if it's poor, it creates stress. If it's fulfilling and deep, it'll create health.
Wow. Sa tahu di na saranga. Au martak saranga na kau ni tuku na minggu rem bat ni na vida na bula sawo te bak sawo te uri cuk talangan na bose ni turangan na loya John Apter de. Kongo this is connected to cyberbullying
Right.
Beleta na non senga ni control taka na kain the beauty na mona liba. So if you have self control, you will think first. Au na rede madana kau na walango na dava na leita ka madanga bi ni ko wala madanga wili ka madanga bi ko
Right.
rongo bila kasi sen ke rongo da delete
that's basically nabi badadani nabi basurakin dada kapchiko it's just projection of self-hate na kanga iti ko ila mai kong indo project onto others. So kaya ulis talitikin na unconditional self-love, because when you love yourself enough, you no longer start worrying about other people. You no longer trying to pull people down. You want to lift them because you're lifting yourself. This is all projection, and we are not taught about, we are taught conditional self-love when we are growing up. We, the parents, withdraw love. So you're teaching children that love is conditional. So when they see that, they internalize that, and they love themselves conditionally. Wow. So when you grow older, you need to look at yourself in the mirror and say, I love you with your big tummy. I love you with your yaba bebe sedaba. You have to love everything bad about you. That's the unconditional love that we're talking about. Sa ocha sananga into a load off your shoulder. Sangita sere todo kono mumbula.
Sa tao men. Binak bakaliw. Bitalo tiktal chuka na bida na madas tao tao na the art of saying no.
Yes.
Which is very un-Fijian.
Yes.
Okay, sa tapaka iyo nga. To please other people, siya ka chumudanga ni buli raw nakakanay bale, sing sumira chuka na rende, sing sum chuka na durudur ni buli, but boli chuka na chusulo chamba, na soli, melay kay tumba. And dali kawita ka na kay redulure mitumba, siya ka chuka lomo ni bale. Tao, pamadala mandakin.
Right. Let's talk about samani identity and unconditional self-love. If you don't have that, if you have low self-esteem because you don't love yourself unconditionally, you will not have boundaries. Because only a person that loves themselves completely will have the ability to create healthy boundaries. And out of that self-love, you will be able to say no because you are prioritizing yourself, because you have self-love. Self-love, you will prioritize others. You will look for love outside of you, which is the problem. So you're really not able. So your thought process and about you, if I say no, I'm actually saying no to love because you're looking for love outside when really
it's you.
So that's why you cannot say no. Love from inside. Your love is extra.
You are content,
Yeah, whether you give me your love or not, that's irrelevant. So I can say no, and I no longer, we are taught out of that conditional self-love. We are taught, we usually abandon ourselves. It's called self-abandonment, so you can make others happy. So now when you have self-love, I no longer abandon myself to make other people happy. I will prioritize myself. You want to go and help everybody else when you yourself are running on empty. Romani so that you can fill yourself up, now overflow, then you go out. And then that's the problem. When you're running on empty and you want to help everybody else, you become stressed. But if you're overflowing, then you do it out of a good heart, goodwill. It'll bring you joy.
Wow, amen. Totoo ko coach tau. Pinakabalib turang ubuni wai na no mu veo se ni kuwa lelebu rapa kumbulo tiku mingora maro taka bakalibu. Bikem di na siya matiku mai pinakabalib sara na bakarong tiku mena ni robital no ke buni wai minoni na bimbi tiku nga ni nonta reda na nonta mbula. Na tiku mbulong bula na tuba kini bakasama kena yang ngonda. Na niru mibitalo ni ko na niru sare ti ko na lebu ni wekande sam lenga ti ko matin dole dore di kambe kana posaya sar me lenga ti ko so sar nga nga nenda na lubenda sembera mendanga ne do bene lim sanga bulu so ngai sembera mendanga ne ramba ke basanga bulu au sando mo singa ne longu tau la saraba na video ni somate mersa tangi tu nangoni au sa mo sar nga biao kaya na buna usa kere-kere ni bikim ni tau laku mata mai tau dormi bitala no na bitalo ni kuana reni bisa utaka na baka sama bira na baka rongo tiku mai tau
Right.
So moving forward na dapat so na bika raw sara beir na baka na baka rongo tiku mai ni kuwa me baka na mati ni lebu sibia na suka kena tubunin ra dapat so na kara roni rakaba na non resi ni bale nga se na lomo ni bale me bisa ukina na non rambola.
Nakataw. Yeah, andor sabi talo tiko ya the root cause, identity, unconditional self-love, ya sawat ya mo nagay vaka taka na health loss. Na mbula na ibola tambo e kaya ni tiko na lawa e kau tambay na blessing, na maroro na lawa. Na masuka na lawa e kau tambay na curse. Kaya membale, na lawa kwa ratungo membale tanati kong bulang-bula, era la kumebe. Erlak ngami bawa na kalau malete nona na wura na kalau ambulia batami ni kena lawa. So menda buli na lawa malete ke kai kusenga ni kila na lawa na singa ni rau ni omaro na kai kusenga ni kila. Na lenga weekend ken sini babuli da menda ndau vaka taka na bakasam. Ke kai ko ndo bora kina vakikeli you won't go far. So na non dei tabe kena mende kila na lawa bango tau na lawa ni kakana na kena ondo bayang ata katiko na acronym na New Start. If you go online you'll see New Start ya ndo na bale kale kani na bi lawa ni mbula I korawa ni bayang ata kamo mbula mbalabu kina se mo tiko mbula. New Start nutrition, exercise, water, sunlight, temperance, air and rest and trust in God the last one. Ia virtu ya na vileta ya lebu tu na lawa e baudikina. Wakana nutrition tiko na lawa ni kana. Lebu ke anda kana tunga me rawa tu. Ia anda basuka tu lebu na lawa ngo. Ndo na kena barita kingo na lawa ni mama na kemu. Na kemu ndo mo mama na ndua na supuni ndo mo mama se chiu for about 30 times minimum. Nobody does that. First, because esindo ekilatu na lawaya, ken karua is because we rush through. Na dama na kena bimbi mo mama na kemu, baleta na saliva na weli, tiko kena na wanimate, se na compound me mix pata kena kemu, me teki wuki na digestion process. Na ingangi ni kaka na tiko ike, kemu kaya sin mama bina kana kemu, ni avike sa na ngai take over na bacteria, ya na bacteria na lenga, kemu kaya breakdown ta kana kemu na levu na gas ya pong, kwa anda ndo maubu kina nda via mode. Ate sini mama iti kuna kakana. Kaya na mama ibina katalanga ni kakana, na bukea me ndakakua ni kana serious se overeat. Kaya baka iko dakaba it's impossible to overeat. Baleta ni o mama chiko na ke musala kona tukutuku ni kakana ikitemu na ngai dhuriani na ngona ngai feel bina kinake mu na tukutuku me kitemu me kaya no mumona me tukuna kene ni o sama mau. It'll take time. Na ngau ito iko turo tiko mo mama, o ko ya vike tuko may biko, okay, iko sa mama o iko sa ranisto. Na lega de okana tiko batutolo se lako chiko na itukutuku ya may kitemo ya no mumo na iko sa 1 3/4 full. Na ko ya ninge ioti mo get the feeling of satiety, say fullness, you actually overfull. Sa oche bita sekondo sa kami warra kitu yan. So you will prevent overeating by the simple act of chewing. So chew your food. Na kenida ka ngombi tendo na spooning sumo, mbita sombo na ulumu, Mama tiko na kemu, kako ne obosa, kako ne adaka, mama tiko na kemu, bingo na kede veduru, you consciously push it back, push it back, push it back. Now, automatically, when the food bolus is the right consistency, okoya nange slide ngai loma. Vitalia kebaka ikopia push taktalmetumba. When it is the right consistency, the gate at the back here will open, it will slide inside. And that's how you're supposed to eat. Nobody does that. So that's, in doing a rule, it has very powerful impacts. Actually, a whole therapy was developed called Fletcherism, and you can see this, where a doctor actually just treated people on chewing, the right way of chewing. Sangi tiko na biwe kani ni wai ke na kakana. Okenda ni ndakana wanga o ndakana ngunu. Bala wa ya tambu. Ndondono mongunu be mamani awo ni semberna kana ruana mbilo setolu matana waya ya na duru le absorb teki mai se kautava kena no mu wawa levu na large intestine na laka tali kitemu le secreta kana no munda buimbudo e maroroya na lining ni no munda buimbudo na ngonenga kina kakana from the acid, especially when you're eating protein. But nangauna ni kana, koni o kana ngunu maleta na waya na diluta kana saliva ngangi bada na kemu. So you have to eat your food as dry as much as possible. Yana lawa nimbula. So kaniama mother, wawa me o te rona ya ua i kusangero ni ngunu tale. Maleta ke wakai ko kana tiko na ngauna ke wakai ko ngunu tiko na ngoni ko kana tiki na, and that's any kind of fluid. Koe na wawa idhala taka na kakana iko kanieti ko senga ni ngangi binaka kina sini absorb teki na kina ikana kan na kakana the nutrients ya ando tale na lawa ya sanga tiko na lawa ni the quality of food you eat sanda kila tiko ya na bakatiki una wasindu tiken rosu kadiwa lima tiko na group fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, legumes, nuts and seeds, legumes and whole grains except wheat, including whole grain. Now wheat, don't eat it. It's a highly hybridized food, including whole grain wheat. Stay away from it. Sange yana quantity, sange chiko na frequency. May nandua na ngoni ni kana may adha nandua tali ngoni kana. The minimum time should be roughly about 5 hours minimum. Balatea me taura na ngoni tambu ni ndua na kaiduru except water, not even fruit. Balatea taura na ngona me okania na kemo angangi tarana kaindo don me tarana yango vengu create energy babarau tali to the next meal. Okay, nanda sa kana tunga o chinga sa oda me na nonda ngada ni ngangi kakana sa muria saratunga me na tawi mate.
Tēnā saranga tau, eh? Ko saranga ngore kondoro ngata tukena vale na bosa na gut health, eh?
Gut health, yes. Most things start in the stomach here.
Yes. Kembali siya maket sarchunga ngo na mamay ni kakana. Menda kay baka samtak mda kuning ulit tapi nanonda iwawa. Eh?
Yes, right. Ya kete na ya na lawa en tawi lebu na kena lawa ndoro vitalo tiki na bongi ya me barita kaya that it's actually specific laws. Esa nga dito na kana da kana bulambula. You have to know the specific law, the time period, the actually what you need to do. Kaya kanda kilaya automatically will be healthy and live a long life.
Tēnā saranga tau, eh? O baka samtak listale na turanga tukango gailenga tukoko samba ki dio sanga bulkawa. Okay,
Right.
kana nga baru ndo na singa.
Right.
So,
2
kinabal
meals is better
male,
than 1.
eh,
2 meals is better than 3.
di na sartaw, eh? Kinabal male, ira na nandangkasa ng mga makawa. Was that something normal to them? Nakalabakatulo, is it a Eurocentric way of
Yes,
introduction of
yes,
food?
yes. Iya. Al sandoro ka vale na kana okay na kana ba tuanga barua. And most indigenous cultures were doing that way before we got this 3 meal a day way of eating, eh? Napandindi ke vaka o ira ke vakan rau kana vata tiko ke indua o iko kana na bulo tiko ndo tane senga sotini kila kawitang na ni kana ia na amount elelai o iko levu, the person eating the smaller amount will outlive you. So the quantity is just important. So if you're eating healthy, but you're chewing your food thoroughly, your volume will be less. You definitely will be more lighter, more athletic, more happier, more long-lived.
Wow. Sandin. So na quantity do ra kambimbi bikim na
Quantities.
bunwai o sa do rete tal chunga na ken do ban teki na linga na kaka na mete me rombota tuk na linga sa kwasar nga ya me kuni sibita
Iyo,
na roli bisa ubi keda na ito okay me da kana manda nga bakalalai.
iyo, naguri nonda kana sivia chico because we are eating food that is rakaya high calorie density. High calorie density can be too many calories in it, but the volume is low. Wakana meat is high calorie density. And duanga na parole lai, sivia na calorie tiko kina, kona bali blip tekenda pambimbi tekenda. Wato to bata take bata kena kakana may nawere, na kakana may nawere ko low calorie density. And the sasini willy calorie, we're talking about calorie density, the amount of calories in one serving. So plant-based foods okay a low calorie density, so you can eat a lot, but you don't gain weight, you don't become unhealthy. But your kind of plant-based, it's impossible to overeat more exclusively plant-based because you can eat this much only stuff na lomamu you still cannot overeat the amount of calories. On the calorie density, and it's high in fiber and high in water content, so it's very filling. So nalenga, when we eat plants, we don't do it exclusively. We'll eat it with flour, we'll eat it with white rice, we'll eat it with sugar, milk, and then meat. If you just exclusively eat plant-based, tends to not be the problem. You can do it like 2 weeks, and then you will notice major changes.
Sandin. Kembal na ro na madao ya ro ni ndora bisole ro ni ado weekend kenda biso
It's all
takata ken.
Yeah, no kupandindike, Rona Madao is a good time. But less than that, and then you don't really feel the benefits. But when you do a transition to a more plant-based diet, your body has to do cleaning up, like cleansing. So in the first few days, you will feel lousy. Actually, you become a little bit depressed. Baletrango musangai, okay, o sangai ngalalango musasamaki. And avia soya, and avia lua, soya, and avia kata. Ele wendo tu kuna wae senga yake mambal ni sini binaka ni umbitango senga ya sanga ibade binaka na engo musole sanga enough energy to do cleaning because the digestion na ngangi kaka na indone wasile ni energy ala kutuwa. Kwa ya na ngoni ko musuka kin numbaro ni kana si obiso tak num kana mo ko mo plant based so le na ngala bona energy ya me da ka bona repair ken sa samaki ona bieto i mate valilai sa oti ave na be ndona madawa sabia otia na karoni madawa sanga i lako mai bi ko na mbula binaka sanga i mode binaka na mbongi bakana papa o yanra mai ba mataka lebu no mi ngo mama rau ko ya sananga i rawani encourage you to continue, so don't do it too short because then it gives you a bad experience. Do it for about 2 weeks. If you can carry on for 1 month, very good.
Otok saranga tahu ke bukai sore bira kata mera toro manden dola program ni nakela biso taki na kenda na tava mera takabo ira baka rongo tiku minggu ra ni rangwali balimbula se ngoli bidora dietitian dava no muni baka sali ka bunuai.
Erawa, ya, oyau sinindo solimenu na kanga ukaya oyau, kana nga may nawere. But eat out of the food groups and don't worry about calories because you're doing transition. Eat as much as you want. Bleta oiko mo bisuta kana no kana, which is the your taste buds. It takes time to change the taste buds. Keva kai ko control takana portion. Processed food and meat eating, it's actually heavy on the stomach. So if you try to limit portions, you will be tempted to eat the old foods again. So Komanda nila taka na portion, na sizes, na frequency, kana na kena level, kana may nawere, kana na kakanandina, to get your body to get acclimatized to the new food and to get your taste buds to change, to get acclimatized to it. So then you can worry about those things later. You're trying to transition, you're not trying to be perfect.
Right. Tahu dalam maramu ko taruh cukup mayo mareda, kataruh cukup mo kaya Dr. Eminoni baka tama nakakana baka na soup. Ninda kania bata kena kena wai.
Yeah. Well, soup is okay, and soup is usually encouraged na ngona tawi matikina. Nakakana na yakabi me mama. Okay, ndo tal na lawan imbula.
Yeah.
Breakfast, randoka, breakfast like a king, dinner like a papa, lunch like a prince, dinner like a papa. Na ikana kana, and ndo me kale utondua, na ikatalau, baleta na daba. Baleto koya, e nangai sulevi kona kaukau mo dhaka kina singa tau doko. O kento to ngunti manrai koe mama na mataka, nangai mai wakawae, na daba usin kakavina kino wakasama uvea mode na kavi, o chau les mai, o ngai kana sivia na mbongi kona ngon don me dem kina numunta buimbuda. Dhala tiko na ikana kana. Do kana ya, kana saranga na mataka, kana kakana ndina kene idoi kana. Na kavi o ngerani kana soup. Esse ni kanimba o kati kuna lawa ni makuni kana ngunu ni sinkaval mesa kua yeah, do it as little as possible. Soup is good, but try and limit it to in the evenings occasionally, and also when you get sick then you can just go on soups.
Right.
Mobati na anda buimbudo.
Isa dado makasamtak sarangay ni dado rubalimbula. The soup is always part of the menu, eh?
Yes, yes. That's important. Baleta na ngonito bimate me vengu nanda buimbudo. Baleta na energy ko elako na ngangi kaka na me lako. Me le lako na sasama ki kina vivambulai. Kenda senga na ngonito bimate nda sangai kauta ya ni vale na ikana kana vala. Ndendo mo kana balile na ngonito bimate.
Setahu. Oh, Dorakani may baka binibina ka na parang tinungon na lewo ni okla ni uchingon ni ngewili ka na comments bet kira na sema ti kumingo okla na matagal bitan lo bango tau me ka baka wasama baka sibi be kem do na tambane ni bulan bleta tau ni do rete chiko sana kani do ya tiko kla we cannot just sit and watch we have to intervene somehow. If this is one thing I could do, there will be many other people watching, which we can intervene and do our intervention in different ways. But nabitan no bakango ni ngole may na bunuway o ni kanat tambana saranga and mana sarabi kima mina leo ni banua. Na kena bitan no tek chuma na biso tek saranga ni no de karakan.
Dono.
Tahu.
Yeah, but na health knowledge is power, but health knowledge is the most powerful. Because without health, you cannot prosper in other areas of life. Di na saranga na kani kai menda do vital no takabale na kaya nga sali mga nangaw na sa vital no tunga ni biwali. Sarota menda sinitoso da songo tunga da sanga menda bisisi o de rani bela bela tondo non danisi. Da lestale manda na basics. Da vital no manda na kani tumbu, wiliki na tikombulombula na kapa kailavo. Teki mo meron nanda tamba we kenta kada vi tamba tamata may binangkasi me abo nangoni. But we need these conversations and thank you for what you're doing to help enlighten us.
Sabi na kamalip sarat turang tao makasamtak talaga na bosa na health is wealth.
Health is wealth. Literally. Pagkata nangoni ko kanan donu kina, kana na kakanen don mo kani na sama-sama na no prefrontal cortex na banu e tuku kina batulewa. So ndo na ka na rara mana no murai literally and redo you na opportunity where other people cannot see it. So that's what happens. That's tied directly to the food that you're eating. And then the energy it creates, bountiful energy. Ko lesu ke kina ya tau o klanta sa vital no kina na kana kana ya korto kana kino taniela wate ke ina no norto no nei lawa ina so ke makai ko be serau re vinaka tini na singo kana mai na were ona serau ke makai ko be buku be tul na mba kino kana tik mai na were sana ku sivia.
Okay, kira serang kami tu lembak.
Io, tau nei wali ni nonda lea kana ito kaya tiko nga weekend is in our backyard. Daga indo waraki ra mera buka mai valangi mera mai vamatala weekenda ra kila we need to know that we have the traditional knowledge da vayanga
Amen.
takana kai sul mai weekenda to think critically and independently and trust yourself. But again, we are not taught to trust ourselves because we don't love ourselves unconditionally. Back to loving ourselves.
Back to loving ourselves. Back to square one.
Back to square one. Get square one. You know, get the base right, and then you will be okay.
Isa. Grabe talo tagsartsuka ke labo na sigani ko na bimbini non da baka isa. Alako siya bot saranga may
Mm.
nanon da to start teka mo man da Jerusalem Kala?
Yes.
Teka mo
Yes.
man da Jerusalem. Non da Jerusalem saranga non da lamni bal. Teka mo ibal. Teka mo weekend na biotini bero nangon sabi na kaya to sangga india yan itu.
Yes.
Okay, itu
Yes.
to teka mo chukumi itu masangga itu sasanga chukumi long.
Right. Baleta ngone aninda vangara love chiko me tumba nda sengani kota me loma. So there's breakdown inside and then outside through our
Wow.
closest relationship.
Wow. Because if you focus on yourself and those that are important to you, and you're focused outside, and sayang walangan and buawa, balatin yung sa research nga, dodonunga to the very people you should focus on and also on yourself.
Right. So what's happening, because you are not focusing on you, you're not growing as much, then you're not happy with you, and then you project that to other people who are not doing well for themselves. Dali pale waira wala ngakin. Angole mo na puto sa, but iko ready ko matanga kay ko, you are not reaching your full potential. That's why you're worried about other people. So turn in the focus, do unconditional self-love, grow yourself, and it is not our duty to change other people. We were not given that power. You can only change yourself. As you grow, you will attract people. So you will magnetize people to you. Don't stop going out. Live your life and bring people who
Yes.
admire and come to you to know more.
Amen. Woo! Amen, amen, amen. This is so beautiful. Taro chukumengo ana seni do ngani. Bulu binaka ni seni, taro chukumoko bunuai, na ngona dhaba e ngono binaka menda do baka kabike.
Right, very good question. Usually on the time na bitu, not later than 7, but preferably 2 hours. What we rona ya wa momode, mosa kana oti. Kaya kai tole wa se sibia binakasar, right? Ya korando kaya yanra batake na toa, mode batake na toa.
Right.
So may kuruan.
Eida, ya, so sa murmure na kasa tukuni me o tau da murmure na to, mo de ngoto, mo tala ngoken, Yo
Right.
songo mo de to, kento to.
2 hours ni semberni on tabo, baleta me torna ngona mengangi binakana eat less. Baleta kema kai ko sangani, kema kai ko kana sibia, na mbuangi na ngau na repair kine sasama kine ngomu. Kema kai ko kana sibia, sana senga na ngau na me repair kine sasama kine ngomu, sana sanga ko mengangi na kakana me kuni buda. Nyonge yanra mai, bimbi tu na ulumo ora kitu. Bata ni sanga ni daka na daka ni sasama ki kona daka ni mode. A faction ni
Dia.
mode.
So na mo de na kambimbi.
More than a kambimbi, na quantity, na amount ni kakano kania na kabi for dinner is important. Eat little. If not, miss dinner. You will find you are much better.
Oh, reda ya. Bikenda na barong chukumai, saro ni musule na baka kabi dom na nga ng bilo domboy, si bilo roni
Right,
moli, mo de.
right, right,
Kaya
right,
kunu-kunu to na kete mo sa tulong ni tutubi mo sa mo de yan.
right.
Kaya naman
Yeah.
na matakalilain kayo kanya na kembulang. Taros
Yeah.
kumingo tamay say, baka taba nang unyang ko na sivya. Si, berata na
Na,
yang ko na nambong.
right. Yeah, menda settle taka manda na taro ni yangona, eh. Au sanga ni betu kuna bendo amengu ni yangona se kuwa. Yeah, let's settle the yangona issue.
Okay.
Taro miki na indua na turanga na kitolida kabuli berto na ita okay ya Facebook. So okay, if you so elewe rangu ni yangona ngabela, so you really don't know the effects. Na kena test ngo overdo it, we hear na overdo it, what is the effect? Is it good or bad?
Bad.
Not good. Na kulini yango maybe sa una liver abscess we rangun vale. So kaya ndona kai ko overdo it and it's not good for the body. That means small quantities too is doing damage to you and you don't even realize it.
Wow.
Compare ta kaya bata kay na kakana may naware. Na kakana may naware, if you overdo it, what's gonna happen? maybe you're just going to throw up, but absolutely nothing. You're just going to get well. So that means if the large doses don't do anything for you or actually benefit you, the small doses also benefit you. And then the opposite is true as well. Kaya baka ikaw overdo it, then that means the small doses also is not good for you. You might not be feeling it now, but the accumulation of the amount over time will slowly go work against your health. Again, at the end of the day, do what you want. On the Kaya, man was given choice. Live the life whatever you live, as long as when the consequences come, you don't fight it. Because now we live in a natural world. Nangona is angona so me, and some people it's sooner, some people later. Na so me na tavi mate na tkina mosi. Kako ni on rotaka, because you need to go through that for you to then recover and live a healthy life. So again, live your life, but get ready for the consequences and don't run away from it. That's why a lot of people, also die younger, because they try and avoid the consequences. This is a life of consequences.
Ya, bir na taruh cuma yang balik tanah gona, cuma bikin dengan dingin. Iya, biar makan ni ngunyang gona cuma nambungi. Soalnya ngona minta pakai sama takan na inggangi ni kakana. Balik tanah bunuh ngai lak cuma bikin angka gini kakana, yang lurus cuma mana yang gona.
Right, nangona.
So, nangona cuma bikin benefit. Iyo, ni sali baka sibia nggak tahu
Sibia. Gay lako pati kina taro levo au sa rando lako di balimbula pambi bi rakena turang. Puni wai wala man tamay donong kui pola muli barita ka birtuna birna leni koro sa senga ni beyang unu yang gono mento na ibola babu ni wai. Auto kai senga ni ibola ni bunu wai era ni bolai. Yeah, again, that comes down to boundaries. And the Sinrautikon is saying no, even though when we don't want to. And that will create conflict in your soul and your mind and will create stress. And again, we said stress is an independent risk factor for disease and death. Au kaya ules tu kina okila na lebu na mati ada chungo salak sartu kami na stress. But na vi sauning ngauna na so lebu dimbula sanda rere tiko sanda oso so tiko lele tiko na bakambauta. Our mind is just stressing. So kesa acute stress or short-term stress is good for the body. It gets you to work hard. The long-term chronic stress for other tiko bikenda matendesini de una bakasama because it will release the stress hormones, cortisol, adrenaline,
Stress is a killer,
Stress is a killer, but not talked about much.
Right, kandina saranga. Biro matanga na kando kora lenga tikungo. Biro matanga those who are below 50, those who are below 40. Era tiku saranga na tambayan baki with nirba matabubale. Va se lima na ngone and they all going to school, Sarang karabi sarchunga they have a mortgage. So mi chika na vale. So na pressure kere mo. La le nango na le yago vira na tu mati ndara ka bitu kuna tau we kemni na turanga if we can focus on our men do le nango do le na bitalo me balik kemni na turang do le nango na onindo senga ni talo takambe kana ndrende ni la kurumuti ko nomni mata mobile kemem na marama kemem ke sota ka bango sa tali saranga na kasaya Sikitali takango, ketongo. Sometimes it's a good thing nila kumitumba. But what about our men? What's happening to you?
So why are men like that? Because men were taught that. They were parented that way. When men show emotion, so men have been taught not to express emotions, but emotions are, and the healthy expressions of emotions is very critical for health and also for relationships. So our men have to be taught to hide their emotions, not be vulnerable, and to act, masculine and tough. That's where their problem lies. So nangoner sangas making they just need to go in and reparent themselves and tell themselves it's okay to cry, it's okay to be angry, it's okay to be anxious, it's okay to be fearful. So name the emotion, feel the emotion, and let it pass through. Emotions are supposed to be passed through. Pass through your body. And we don't know how to do that. We cannot say it because we've been brainwashed to think don't show your emotions, which is really unhealthy, and then that the pressure builds up in the body and it has to come out somehow, and usually it comes out and again like the way they act. So a lot of men go to alcohol to try and be somebody else, merani express their health, their emotions healthily. So we see domestic violence because you were not taught how to feel and express your emotions healthily. So you keep it in or chingange kadambote. Nangone kadambote kina, it severes relationship causes damage. So we need to talk more about how men are taught not to express emotion and then how they need to be retaught how to feel the emotions and how it's okay to be vulnerable. Again,
Absolutely.
back to self-love.
Back to self-love. Wow, tao. Dali mo nang do bakasam takar kamu do nang numikim ni bakal na turang But in Sandore we have a lot of interventions for women, a lot of interventions for children and youth.
Yeah.
But we
Yes.
came na turang do sim sutsar ni lebo na bitalo no bango e that
No.
membaleti kemuni. So I thought this will be a good opportunity for our future Talano session if we could start to focus on our men.
Yes.
Mera wasya talaga menalo na ronda turang. Siya ba tao?
Yeah. And the expectations from the community for men is really high. Like we expect them to handle their own problems, sort themselves out, but most of them don't have the tools to. So Namatagali Forum Bango, I think will help them open up their mind that you can also change the way you look after yourself. So your solution is really within you. You just need to understand how to work through that.
Totoo,
Um,
totoo.
okay, Talanoa, and I think social media, Western, standards has, this is my view, has really empowered women up to a point where sometimes women actually run households. And then women, because of the way the laws are structured or the way our communities are now, uh, the women actually sometimes overstep their boundary and then so I had to ask my mom to make sure that she controls what she says to my father because my father will not reply to her, but I see the effect on him. It kind sometimes of traumatizing. Women create unsafe spaces for men to express themselves openly. Just because men are not saying anything don't mean they're not feeling the effects of how women are talking. Talking sometimes destroys a lot of men, especially from mothers. So women have to be conscious of how they're talking to men, because men in the culture that we are in will not, rebut, but will take it somewhere else. But in the process, you create that toxic, unsafe environment. And once the environment is unsafe, people cannot express and openly, and then the communication and the connection is actually severed. And also, you cannot heal in an unsafe environment.
Di natuwa ko sa and I think it all comes back to balance. Siya ba tahu
Yeah. So, and I see that a lot. Na kung napanua in the document that feel safe kina, because for you to be able to feel vulnerable and for you to be able to say, I am afraid, I am angry, you have to feel safe first. So the family members need to know how you contribute to either a safe or an unsafe environment, because that's essential for emotional growth within that group. And we don't have much of that. That's why we go outside looking for love and connection.
looking for love and connection. Wow. I never realized nung tukuliti kumiluya na identity that was ever kami the common denominator. It all
Yeah,
comes back to our self-identity.
it does. Yes.
Kimbal na vosa, nanonda kana, na kakirikiri ngo ele reflecta kachunga nanonda mbula bakatiket,
Iya, te kutu nga may loma, kay lako may
Lama.
iya.
Sandina. Au dala tamani buli levu turanga tau le sika binanga ni kua
Tataw.
au ngusui ke mamiti ko na biwa kani ke bakarong ti kumeni kua ni me baka bini binaka na nomu seleto na nomu ngau na ke nomu kila baka buni wai ke mami lubu dia na marau ni levu na ka ke me buli da ni kua au kila
Yeah.
ni ne dorbitano ni kua ela tarambe ka indona bubale se dona marama se dona turanga roni biso takambeka na nona mbula nona kanakana dona kambi bido mo si baka libu yau tau nindo reda na lenga yado na dona bubale se ndo etu mati bimbi ninda kilani na kena iwali tiko ngai lingata tiko saranga
Right.
il non tolo mani bali tiko saranga bi kenda saranga na nanda
Sarang
mateni
betul.
kalawa na no musuko sombo na mukana na kena kau lebi na ngunu na wai na suka na mbata na beka bango endo sakila ketu but we have
Right.
to act on it.
Right. And
Ah,
that start with loving yourself
absolutely.
unconditionally.
Unconditionally. Wow. Ako sana borte ko usar nga ko 10-day, no, 14-day challenge, eh?
Yes,
14-day
14.
challenge, 2 weeks.
Right. Two
Yeah, we
weeks.
can nabarang chukumay if we can do this to reset, eh? Reset our system to have a renewed sense of life. Let's start today. Today is a day. Tau, dotal na kau ni beo se ni sember ni na may dabo na nung darubital na. Obi na kat me tostal me rone awa.
Sa ko nga tawo kila mendalis talimandanga in a basics. So learn to love yourself. Love is the most powerful force in the universe. So if God loves you, you are required to love yourself, because out of that self-love, unconditional self-love, not just any kind of love, you will start to manifest habits and thoughts and words that are loving. So that will reflect back on you and all the facets of your life. So yeah, then that overflow will affect your parents, your siblings, your community, your neighbors. And that's how we heal our community. We go back to the basics of know your identity. The sky is the limit for your identity and greatness. Out of that is unconditional self-love. Sautia, sandanga ibuli then in a car. Na lawa, evaudi kenda bata membaleta na Tiko Bulabula, we reverse all our problems. The social ill square that we beating on, drugs, na kaya tiwira tampangone. It's just they were not raised under that unconditional self-love. So they internalize that. So they're out there looking when we're supposed to pull them in closer, but you cannot pull them in if you yourself have not healed from your own childhood. So again, it's the work of self-healing that we need to start with, and everything else outside of that will take care of itself.
Sa totoo ka bakawati. Totoo ka bakawati. Nakabalik sara turang bunuway na nung may biyo sini ko. Simber ni may daro biba kang maltaki. Dahil already chuk niliw chuk na taro rang wali chuk may kyo nga lalang kay wali talitukin. Mga isomo na nung na taro. Baleta na nung nisigil ito ni daratiko.
Inaka, igual lá mate que veio ao tau na takona lavo ao undua ao do raka takavale bungona nito mata nitu o kela rto tako chikongori kenda nessa svarango indo na mata nitu na ngone liu o kela na tuku bikem ni na kena bamadala takola vo vambo titi ko ni bu pale tau ya vole chiko ya matay dona matay ayada may witi. So again, this is my identity. I'm proud of who I am, of where I come from. You need to be proud of all of your identity. Huh? If not, then you really cannot be confident enough to reach your full potential.
Wow, amen, amen. Nung bulas na kanatako na labo, nabibo no kedo ni siya mati kumikila, totoka makauti na no mundo matabubale ni Velomani, ni Bikaw Itaki, baka na talaga na itambay tako kayo da kumuningor sa rere binakandina na no mundo uli ni Bono tao.
Now, yeah, AI, okay, kwanga me vola may na. This is na vosa again going back to identity. Wano nga wala ko kina walimbula kita nga wala ko kina sanda o kilati ko na nang kumoto chika na this is na vosa. Ningela ko na corridor baby na nasi na bunwa sa this is this is na vosa ko ya. That is my identity and I'm proud of it. And I hope you are proud of yours as well. Everybody.
Absolutely. Keda na vio kanya da sema tiku mweni kuwa. Na buno da mga ni da butu mekina. You have to be proud. Be proud of who you are. Nio kilei ko tu, nio tunde tu na nomu tuku tuku membaletiko. Na saka nito ya baletiko rao. Na buno da mga buru-buru nila ko kina. You will stand tall and stand proud representing your people and representing yourself.
Yeah.
Wow.
Au represente ki total singa na dholo, but ele unango nando kay dholo e rei di sobu. We come from greatness, and this is Navosa right here.
Amen. Woohoo! Nakawakalevu. This is na mosa. Vikem ni keda na veo kadi ni ngole mai na veo ulu ni vanua. Na vanua levu. Viti levu ke vanua levu. Na lomo ni vanua. Levu na kai tumu ni dhimbitaka. na kila kaba ko banua, na peka na isona, no muni tar ni vale, 2 tani. Kita matang na tambani ni museum. You know, we have so much to celebrate. Na ni museum matang na ni yaw makau tungo. Liba ko may bikim do. Eh?
Right.
Totokan din. So, binanungkoy tambanan ni museum, ando lebo nangon na bibo ni buru-buru lako kino, do ungetir nangon ni.
Right.
Biro tumu-tumu, di kotira na museum. Pamaral taka
Mm.
bira, puno rata butu mikina. Reida na puno deu mikina sona, bi matangali wow tutoka. Na puno tali mikina
Right.
sona, bi matangali
Mm.
rumbo. Siang tali ni kuni bikya, lako chumi bikim do mithal.
Ya, saranga. Dina. Dina.
Sa Nakabalik sa turang tao, au sa baka mo ni bikin mo ni ko banu ni binaka na no mo ben garabe na singa ni mataka ni te ko talento na marawo ke baka na gay ngole ni biti ke labo galindo te na sota na no mundo bal ni bola bol na no mundo tambana na 1000 toes
10,000, 10,000 toes.
10 10
Iya.
oh right
Iya,
10,000
sa uting aya sa milioni.
bakan dua cik minum tu bali bola bola tau.
Namaka, 7 Namaka Lane, right on the main Namaka Road.
Oi, 7 na Makalane, eh?
Iya.
7 na Makalane, Nandi. Ya, bikim ni nabio kan ni siapa tiku mai, ke bakau ni biangole, tambani ni lore baka buni wai. Rauni rangole ani, sara bitar tare ni bikim ni tau. Ngoni salah tam, cuko nom ni email.
Iya, sembera tiko ni indola ngo na klinik na nga indola tiko I think around
Oi,
next July, but nabalik ka na nga ira sa indola tiko.
oi,
The
balikan,
whole
eh?
day. Iya.
Okay.
Nangona, so nanito, chiko nito Facebook page, kami lang akin na 10,000 Toes Wellness Center. We'll keep you updated on all of the developments.
Right. 10,000 Toes Facebook page, eh? So, ker bikim ni ngoli kina, follow their page. Cik talanga kina na balikan, eh? Kakana tam so chitu kina tau.
Plant-based. All
Plant-based.
plant-based. Iya. Kaka
Oh.
nga minawere.
Will talanga kina na juicy?
Yo, chiko na smoothie, chiko na healthy juices, so you can order that. So there's a juice bar, and then there's a restaurant side, food pharmacy, and the juice bar.
Wow, totoo ba ko te? Seven na makalay nandi, bikim ni nabarong ti kumay, kaya bakaw ni ngo chikoy balangi ni ngole ni biti, ker ni bimbu nga me na poti nandi, ni ngole saramanda ni kina, kaya baka sandola
Mm.
tiko, lendo na me bilo smoothie, ni le rete talaga na nono to, binga rebi toka na 10,000 toes kerto na nono to team, na kani
Yeah.
health, dapat na din kini kurya, 10,000 toes
Wellness center.
wellness center. Right,
Ya boleh
wellness.
sarti na bago idake ni narenga maingon sal ni sareng sa boleh itu.
Oh, totoo ba kawati. Kalau nga titi ko tao, doon lang kayo sa tatali chiko na total lang na laka ko, binakabalib sara no mo veo say, and sige ni kwa.
Vale. Nabale betau nando be sureti mai ni kalonga taltinga ni kalonga talabarongo.
Andon, binakamata kumanda.
Waktu
Hmm,
kemanda.
naka, wala tao. Isa. Totoo ba ko tenda kalau ngata na sino bilang ni kuha ni damay bitalo no tu wate ke buni wa yemi no ni da kuha. Dorobo ni i botum balam ena tikino no ikoro ena sana ba turango na bosa. Basu tiko ko ena koro ba turango na sengai. Ena tikino rabitaki me kandabu. Buni wa itu ko em indongo na balabu. May American Samoa ka sa may tiku talanggo na nonda banua evite da marota ka ni tiku na nonda uh, ngone tokei era bunu itu eviti sarga listale era ngole ibuno tani go sar listal chukumai sar listal chukumai raga listal chukumai go sar kota chukumai na non rakilaka kilaka ngo may yanga tale weekend atun to sara bikem ni natarti kumai kerbi so tin sor tares kero sa berti ko ni soma ya o bunu ai minoni ananga iro ya ni na the page ananga sa sanga ko ko mina soma na nomni taro babi ni binak sara lebu bikem ni na nomni suleto na nomni ngona ena kabi ni singa tambo kabi ni singa totoka ni singa ni garabi ni kalo au klabungo bikem ni sa utimena baka singa lebu o ni sa danda butok mbeka vale kau ni baka rongotok mena nero bitang lo ke bunuai Eminoni kani marau ni rau ni daungeti me rona madhaungo me rona madhau me da visau visau takanon takana sana dala kana kani matangan kakanan raun rau da ngunu sobu ngunu bau bau na hota, na tapatali. Hota karisi, na tumbua, kakana ngai da kania wakawasama, kakana ronrau. Bisa takanon takani na lomo ni tinesing sa tukun tukumaya o winuay minuni. Not 10 days, 14 days. If you do any change in your body for 2 weeks, and reset taka bakon doon na yung eh ya bikem ni barong tu kumai sombe kai mostung be kana panra so mostung be kana takunra mostung na turunra na tapa ngai mositiko sa do dor menta na reda na tapa ta kanetiko sana bisau levu na tamun wai levu talangana no tapa ko koyango tombale na bimataka si tombale na kabi ke baka bala kata chukundo na udi wai se woi tui daro ni ngolen tele sili ya bala na yang ngai ngalo talanga kabinak ya bala na ndra ya bala na ua ya bala na domo na linga na ya baka kede ya bala kambimbia mo menta takaba na bukunda makatukun chuka winuai ni salibu na tumbu-tumbu ngone sara-sara lenga lenga tiko tina ni ngone lenga tiko tama ni ngone sara lenga ya sara nangai tumai na ngone sara nangai lumeni alitu sara nangai taraira ko na bosa baba pertani da but chuka ko the trauma the trauma the emotional trauma and the wirtalikin the cycle of poverty all these things in the sangat menta the burakalive we can change. Yes, we can. Kaya kanta takabata, the vilomani, the viwasi takabata, kaya kaya so bikim ni sama chumingo, tiko bikim ni nakila ni sola recipe, ni sola be kaka ng bulang-bula, di bitar-tar may kiyaw. Ron yun, ni wala man ng kabat-bat na bital no takabata, ro talaga ni wasay so na recipe binaka, ni daka juicing, na kakanan raun raw, na be kaka di pakango, menta vila biti takikina, menta vina numikin, wakaw tamata. Au salalam sarai ni vike muni vina kapale vina no muni siya mai. Ako vini vina ka vi bunuai Eminoni Dakua. Kaya makoni tuko i nandi. Ninge ngola ni liri di kwa na 7 na makalain. Na maka nandi. Ni ngola na to Facebook page 10,000 Toes Wellness Center. Like and follow their Facebook page. Chuk talangan na to wal ni kana plant-based restaurant. Chuk talangan na to juice bar. Rano nili ngunu basta no to juice sa smoothie ka ngunu binakasar. Na bisa takatalinga ano de kana-kana. Binakabalim sara sera ko rin na dika Emma Roro Kasam. Nadhavi ngasi Vel Vindali. Binakabalim sara sema chukumay Tinay Mary. Binakabalim na bakarong may Bersila di Pau ana seni to ngani kay Wati Tamani. Sa Fire Ogden, binakabali mo na barong may dombolo binaka na vitamani may Washington State. Nitakan nito ng kalisotayani Washington State enabula ibabakata. Sa baka mo din ibigay mo ni binakabali mo na ni bitoko ni may ni mo toka di ba kanya binaka.